Hi, I'm Melissa. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Keep watching to see a quick and easy tutorial on this makeup look. I'm applying Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer on my eyelids from the Naked 2 Urban Decay Basics palette. I'm using the color Skimp and applying that all over my eyelid up to the brow bone. I'm also applying some Skimp underneath my eyes. Next, I'm using Urban Decay's Full Spectrum palette and the blue color Metamorphosis, along with a Fasanti Contour Eyeshadow Brush number 4 to apply that pretty blue in my crease. I'm just applying a really pretty light wash of that blue right here above the crease. Next, I'm using Clinique's Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen for my top liner.
I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is...
I'm using L'Oreal Paris Infallible Nude Beige liner on my waterline. This liner is supposed to be waterproof. It's my first time wearing it, but it's very smooth, creamy, and easy to apply. And I'm definitely liking the nude color. I'm going to take a little bit of our blue shadow and focus that on the bottom of the eye. I'm adding Clinique Extreme Volume Mascara on my top lashes. And I'm using Clinique's Bottom Lash Mascara on my bottom lashes. For lashes today, I'm trying Vegas Nay Shining Star by Allure. I can definitely tell by just glancing at these lashes, they're going to be way too long for my eyes. So I trimmed off quite a bit on these lashes to make them fit my eyes. I'm using my little Sephora lash applicator, which makes this a lot easier, and the House of Lashes glue that dries really quick. And these are a nice, just short, very black lash. You can definitely still see the wing if you want a lash that's not too overpowering. I'm going to put the rest of my face makeup on and I will be right back. For lips today, I'm going in with Mauve Magenta from LipSense. I have currently been obsessed with this magenta. It's a very red magenta that is so pretty. To apply LipSense, you apply 3 very thin coats and let it dry between each layer. Once your LipSense is dry, you're going to apply a nice thick layer of glossy gloss. And you can reapply the glossy gloss throughout the day. So here is our final makeup look.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right.
I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy makeup look. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and makeup tutorials. I'd love to see you around next time. Let me know in the comments below other makeup looks that you would like to see. And if you are interested in trying LipSense, my contact information is in the box below. What I love about this makeup look is the simplicity. We literally used 2 eyeshadow colors and we're still able to create this really fun eye. And the bright lip definitely makes it a fun look that you could do day or night. Also, the makeup look complements my nails.